Welcome to this Getting Started guide for Fulcrum One software. In this video, we are going to walk through adding loudspeakers. Alright, now that we're in our Fulcrum One software and we've selected our Design tab at the top of the screen, we're going to now select the Loudspeakers tab on the left side of the screen. This is where we have the ability to open our loudspeaker window and download either individual speakers or the whole Fulcrum acoustic speaker library. Now that my speaker library is downloaded, I'm going to select my speaker that I want to bring into this particular model and select its coverage pattern. Once I've selected it, it will show up on the access point in the model. I'm going to now select the Mapping tab at the top of the screen, and that will prompt me to enable any faces that I want to model on in this particular project. I can do that by either selecting a plane and in the right portion of the screen turning on mapping, or I can come over here to my modeling tab. I'm going to come down here to my layers. I'm going to enable by right-clicking on the settings of each of the layers that I want to enable mapping on. So in this case, I'm going to enable the floor, I'm going to enable the seating, I'm going to enable the stage, and I'm going to enable the front of house position. Now that I've done this, I'm going to select my speaker by clicking on it, and over in the right side of the screen you'll see the speaker properties for that particular speaker. Next to my positioning coordinates, there is a little click to position icon. I'm going to select that icon, and now, as you can see in the model, you can position your speaker just by clicking on the location that you want the speaker to end up. Once you have a speaker roughly in position, you can now use the XYZ arrows on that speaker to move it wherever you want it to be. Another cool function is the aim function. So I'm going to, under speaker properties, I'm going to click on the aim icon, and now I can position that speaker anywhere I want based on just clicking on the model. Another cool function is that I'm going to right-click on my speaker and duplicate on the Y coordinates. This will duplicate that speaker and all of its positioning on the other side of the room. Another thing that you'll notice is as I adjust the positioning of the speakers and let go of them, the mapping updates in real time.